Hello, I'm Sarah. I would like to show you the proof of the teeth whitening method given by Dr. Ursula Falkringe in the video Dental Secret. Following Dr. Ursula's recommendations, I started the whitening by using the whitening toothpaste for 5 days. Before the procedure, I made sure my teeth and gums were in good condition and good oral health. Using only the whitening toothpaste, I noticed only a slight effect on the tea and coffee stains on my teeth. According to the instructions, I followed the whitening process by using whitening strips for 2 days. Now I could see a difference. My teeth started to be some whiter. Finally, I started to use the gel in a tray. Already, after a few days, my teeth became whiter. In this image, you can see the result after in total of 2 weeks of whitening. I have not noticed any sensitivity to my teeth or any other adverse problems with my gums. I have checked with Dr. Ursula and it's okay for me to continue with the whitening if I would like to have my teeth even whiter. The products I have used are the same Dr. Ursula is recommending in the Dental Secret video on YouTube. If you desire whiter teeth with no hassle, follow the recommendations. Good luck!